Hey guys, I'm Desiree,
I'm Maddie. And I'm Alex.
and this is 100 Monkeys.
Oh, yeah. And episode 3. Yeah.
I have a cheesy bun.
Me too.
She had one.
I ate mine.
She got a little, her inner fat side took over and ate it.
And now, I want to be talking. And now, time to fight. And you say I'm the weird one. So it's not as bad later. Not even gonna talk for us. Okay. So today.
I love cheesy buns.
Okay. I thought we were done with that.
No.
So I guess we're going to be talking about cheesy buns. Oh yeah.
Cheesy buns. Hone your subjects, honey.
Whatever. Okay. So the last episode we were talking about how Justin Bieber and Selena Gomez shared a room. Gross, right? Blah. Blah. And so we wanted to talk to you about cheesy buns.
Cheesy buns. I put my cheesy bun away.
With the belly traps. Don't tell about it.
Don't know what I'm doing.
Oh. No. I'm eating your cheesy bun.
No, that's my cheesy bun.
You know, one day the cheesy buns will take over.
I hope so.
Cheesy buns! Eat it.
She stole my cheesy bun. I can't get up. I gotta look for a subject now for the smartness. Yeah. We're sharing.
We're sharing our time. Cheesy bun, cheesy bun, cheesy bun.
That was my mama.
Cheesy bun, cheesy bun.
That was
cheesy.
That was my mama.
I like cheesy buns.
Now for the entertainment part. Alex will sing us a song about cheesy buns.
What? Cheesy buns, cheesy buns. I love cheesy buns. Cheesy buns, cheesy buns. Cheesy buns. Woo! Cheesy buns, cheesy buns. Cheesy buns. Oh, the cheesy buns. Woo! Woo! You want to know something?
What?
It's this new girl, Justin Bieber, named Danny Shay. She's awesome. She's my idol.
Oh, that's fun.
She's amazing. Her song is awesome. It goes something like this. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Oh, wow, wow, wow. And then the rest. I guess you noticed. I guess you care about the way I flip my hair. You say it's fever, huh? You say it's hot. Let me tell you, no, it's not. In my MTV, girl, quit playing. He looks just like me. What are you saying? That there's another who looks and sings like you, and he's on every single channel of YouTube. Thank you. And I was like, yeah, and that's how it goes. Hope you liked it.
Okay, so.
Some other time we're gonna do Desiree's Room Got Talent. So, the next episode, though. So vote for me because I'm awesome. And you'll vote for if it's. And if you like me, then like it.
Guys, got news. Okay. Ben Affleck has a hair.
It's not official till we have the Desiree smart.
Desiree's getting smart here.
Desiree!
Yeah.
Woo!
Ben Affleck has a hairy situation. Did you see the hair on that guy's head? It went from being like woohoo to being freakishly long. He looks like Justin Bieber.
No, he doesn't.
Oh, it's not.
Or Justin Bieber looks like him. Oh gosh, that guy was ugly. Did I just see what I thought I saw?
Probably.
Oh, she has problems.
That's Amy Winehouse.
Oh, she's gorgeous.
So apparently, Kate Middleton, Prince William and Princess Kate, can't have kids. And when she came to the States, she went to a whole bunch of doctors to see why, and I guess she's kind of screwed over. She can't have kids.
Oh, that sucks.
Yeah, bummer. No heir to the throne. Oh, that's creepy. No.
I really like the royal couple. They're really good together. Oh, what is this?
Russell Brand and Katy Perry apparently broke up. They look so cute together.
I know!
They're both weird as heck.
They're
Yeah,
perfect for
awesome.
each other.
I know.
Like, Katy Perry has been talking about extraterrestrial her whole life and finally found one.
Yeah.
And now it's gone. This is gonna make me cry.
Yeah, okay. Anyway, smart time's over.
Okay.
So, we're gonna watch, I'll let you guys go. We're gonna watch the Breaking Dawn trailer, and we'll let you know our opinion on that.
Okay.
Okay?
So,
I'm Desiree.
I'm Natty. And I'm Alex. And be safe.
This is 100 Monkeys, episode 3. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Mwah.
Peace.
I'm gonna kick Kyle Kennedy's butt.
She thinks he's hot.
He is hot, okay? You have not seen him without a shirt.
Okay, just cancel it.